everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a custodial account on Etrade. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser first and then go to the URL box at the top and type in us.etrade.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this official site for your Etrade account. In order to open a custodial account, go and click on this search icon at the top of the screen and type in custodial account in the search box. Soon after you do that, press search and from the options displayed, select this custodial option. Now, you can easily open up a custodial account for your child. A custodial account is a retirement account managed by an adult for the benefits of a minor. Simply go ahead and click on Open an Account button on the left hand side and you'll be able to see this custodial account option checked under Choose Brokerage Account Type. Once you do that, click on the Continue button and on the next page, if you are an existing customer, you can easily type in your username and your password. If you are not an existing customer, you can select No from the top and click Continue. Select the prefix and your first name, your last name and your phone number followed by your email address in the custodian's contact number and click the Continue button. On the next page, enter your personal information of the custodian. Enter the address, zip code, the name of the city, select your state, and your citizenship status on the next field. After you finish up entering the details, click the Continue button. On the next page, verify your custodian's identity. Select the date of birth and type it in the text box. Type in the social security number or the ITIN and click Continue. Select the custodian's employment details. Fill in the rest of the information and click Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end. Finish all of the process and you'll be able to open up a custodial account for Etrade. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.